National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, eastern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles north of Abbeville to 10 miles northeast of Washington, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenwood, Lawrence, Abbeville, Ware Shoals, 96, New West, Gray Court, Cross Hill, Donalds, and Cocosberry. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Greenwood, and Lawrence.
Strong, seen